As a project management expert, I often encounter businesses, especially startups and small teams, seeking tools that can streamline their operations without breaking the bank. Zoho, with its suite of business applications, frequently comes up in these discussions, particularly the question of whether its free offerings are genuinely beneficial for project management. Let's delve into this and explore what Zoho's free plan entails from a practical project management standpoint. Understanding the allure of free. The term free is undeniably attractive, especially for organizations operating with tight budgets. In the realm of project management software, a free plan can seem like a godsend, promising to deliver essential functionalities without any upfront or ongoing costs. However, it's crucial to approach such offers with a discerning eye. As seasoned project managers know, the true cost often lies not in the monetary value but in the limitations, scalability issues, and potential inefficiencies that a seemingly free tool might impose down the line. Zoho's free offerings. A closer look. Zoho offers a variety of its applications with a free plan. These aren't limited-time trials, but rather ongoing free versions with certain restrictions. This is a significant advantage compared to trial periods that eventually require a subscription. For project management specifically, Zoho Projects offers a free plan. Let's examine what this free plan typically includes. Limited number of users. The most common limitation in free project management software is the number of users you can add to your workspace. Zoho Projects' free plan usually accommodates a small team, often up to 3 users. This can be sufficient for very small startups or individual freelancers, but it quickly becomes a bottleneck as the team grows. Limited number of projects. Another typical restriction is the number of active projects you can manage simultaneously. The Zoho Projects free plan often limits this to a couple of projects. While suitable for handling a few initiatives concurrently, it won't suffice for businesses with a continuous stream of projects or those managing multiple clients. Basic task management features. The core of any project management tool is task management. Zoho's free plan generally provides essential features like creating tasks, assigning them to team members, setting due dates, and adding descriptions. However, advanced features like subtasks, dependencies, and recurring tasks might be limited or unavailable. Basic collaboration tools. Collaboration is key to successful project management. Free plans often include basic communication features like task-level comments. However, more robust collaboration tools like file sharing, team chat, and project forums might be restricted to paid plans. Limited storage space. File storage is another aspect to consider. Free plans usually offer a limited amount of storage for project-related documents. This can become restrictive for projects involving large files, such as design assets or video content. Reporting and analytics limitations. Gaining insights into project progress and team performance is crucial. Free plans typically offer very basic reporting features, if any. Advanced analytics, custom reports, and dashboards are usually reserved for paid subscribers. Lack of integrations. In today's interconnected business environment, the ability to integrate project management software with other tools, like CRM, accounting software, or communication platforms, is vital. Free plans often have limited or no integration capabilities. Branding. Free versions of software often include the vendor's branding, which might not be ideal for businesses aiming for a professional and seamless client experience. Support limitations. Customer support for free plans is usually limited to basic documentation or community forums, with no dedicated support channels. The free plan in action. Scenarios and limitations. Let's consider a few scenarios to understand the practical implications of using Zoho Projects' free plan. Scenario 1. Freelancer managing solo projects. A freelancer managing their own tasks and projects might find the free plan adequate. With a single user and a limited number of projects, the basic task management and communication features could suffice. However, if the freelancer starts collaborating with others or handling multiple client projects, the limitations will quickly become apparent. Scenario 2. Small startup with a single project. A small team of 3 working on a single, well-defined project might also find the free plan a good starting point. They can manage tasks, communicate within the team, and potentially share a few essential documents. However, as the startup takes on more projects or hires more people, they will outgrow the free plan. Scenario 3. Growing business with multiple ongoing projects. For a business managing several projects with a team larger than 3, the free plan will be significantly restrictive. The inability to add more users or manage all projects within the platform will lead to inefficiencies, communication silos, and a lack of centralized project oversight. From a project management perspective, the limitations of a free plan can lead to several challenges. Hindered collaboration. With limited users and basic communication features, effective team collaboration can be difficult, leading to misunderstandings and delays. Lack of scalability. As the business grows and project complexities increase, the free plan will become a bottleneck, hindering the ability to manage work efficiently. Incomplete project overview. Limited reporting and analytics prevent project managers from gaining a comprehensive understanding of project progress, potential risks, and team performance. Data silos. The lack of integrations means project data remains isolated, making it difficult to connect with other crucial business processes. Professionalism concerns. Vendor branding on client-facing platforms might not align with a business's professional image,